Good morning, everybody. I am Brujodulal Ghosh, who finished his PhD, or I finished my PhD or doctorate from University of Mississippi, USA in 2008. Previously, before my doctorate, I went to Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, for my MSc or Master's degree, and for BSc in Presidency College. Currently, it is Presidency University. So today we are going to discuss a very important chapter of grade 9 or class 9, that is the atomic structure of any element or any molecule. What is the atomic structure, how it looks like, and how it is going to be. So atomic structure, we need to know for any element that is visible or invisible in front of our eyes, those are all made up of atom or atoms, group of atoms. So what is atom? So let us check. And we are going to present this one for Vidya on demand. I'm going to present this one. First one, what is the structure of atom? Atoms are the basic unit of any material and are defined as the structure of the element of any element. Now, what is structure? What it contains? It contains mainly three different elements are present inside the atom. First one is proton, that is positively charged, that is proton, and that was basically proved with a different experiment by the E. Goldstein. That was proved in the time of 18th centuries. At that time, he proved that one, how the atom and what the atom is made up of. Next one is electron. That is negatively charged, exactly the opposite of the proton. Proton is positively charged, and here electron is negatively charged. It was proved and it was shown by the J.J. Thomson. Later, except that there is another particle that is present, that is called the nucleus, that has no charge and it is neutral in nature, and that was proved by the Chadwick at the same time when the proton and electron were investigated or invented, shown by the different renowned scientists. Now we just came to know at the time what is the different structure of the atom. So neutron, electron, and proton, those three are present, and what those means to us. The nucleus, that nucleus is made up of the proton and the neutron. These two are going to make the nucleus of any atom that is present in any element. So proton, that we know, that is positively charged, and the neutron, that charge is neutral. Now how the atom looks like. It looks like the electrons, those are negatively charged, and those are basically rotating or orbiting, circulating in the outer side of the nucleus, that we just came to know what is nucleus is. That is nucleus, and that nucleus is going to be evolved by the electron that is negative charge, negative. Those are going to rotate by the different electrons at the time of the atom present. Now, in the atom, there are few important terms that we need to know. First one is known as isotope. Isotope. Those are very important terms. There's isotope. What isotope says? It says that define the element that possesses the same number of protons, but and the electron, but the different numbers of neutron. That those are known as the isotope. Next one, and the important term is the isobar. in the element which differ in the chemical property but has the same physical properties, which means isobar are those elements which have the different atomic number, so different number of protons or electrons, but the same mass number. For example, here one example I have shown, or we have shown, that calcium and chlorine are isobar because both have the mass number 40, but calcium has atomic number 20 and the chlorine has atomic number 17 over here. So that's the reason those two elements are known as isobar. Another important term, that is isotone, are the elements that have the same number of neutrons but different atomic number. For example, chlorine with the atomic number 37 and the potassium with the atomic number 39 over here. Those two elements are that's why known as isotone, because both and potassium chlorine and potassium have the same number of neutron, that is 20 in number. So if we go through the synopsis of the small part that I just presented in my next slide, that I just talked about, you are going to get over here. That I just talked about, it is presented over here, and we'll discuss more in detail about the atomic structure in the next few classes. So that's all for the students of grade 9 for today morning. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.